Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Crunchyroll delayed subtitles. So if you also want to fix Crunchyroll delayed subtitles, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So the delayed subtitles might be happening because your Crunchyroll application is not updated. So you'll need to update the application. For that, what you have to do is open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Crunchyroll. Now here you'll be able to see the application for Crunchyroll. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If your application is not updated, you'll be able to see the update option instead of open option right over here. All you have to do is tap on it, and after that your application will be updated. After that, your problem should be fixed. But if you're still facing delayed subtitles, what you can do is try clearing the cache. All you have to do is go to settings. You can see over here settings is open. You can see several options over here. Find the option for storage, tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the storage interface. Here you'll be able to see several options. Find the option for apps, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the apps storage. Here you'll be able to see several apps. Find the app Crunchyroll. After you find the application Crunchyroll, all you have to do is tap on it. Now here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see two options, clear storage and clear cache. Right now my cache is already cleared. If your cache is not cleared, right over here you'll be able to see the clear cache option is activated. All you have to do is tap on it. After that your cache will be cleared, and after that your delayed subtitles should be fixed. So that is how you fix Crunchyroll delayed subtitles. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.